Good morning.
Yo, Raymond's making us the baddest sweatshirts, man. Word. You know the kind that turn inside out?
Keep reaching with your eyes, keep reaching with your eyes, keep reaching with your eyes, saying stay in my own lane. Your lips ain't that clever, so tell me what's your name, what you selling. So what you selling?
Eat your eggs before I break your legs. Now you know where your gallant talent came from.
You gonna be a superstar, you gonna have to check out the style. I got my own style.
Darling, superstar is not a profession. You can keep your dreams, gentlemen, but get something to fall back on.
With your eyes, saying stay in my own lane. Your lips ain't that clever, so tell me what your name, what you selling. So what you selling? Merchandising through NFTs, MP3s, and MOB files. Downloads through emails from the clouds. T-shirts and accessories from shops online. Click the link. Cash.app and PayPal. My bank is Wells Fargo and Brinks. Copyrights and masters I own. Credited for creating work for feeding microphones. Sound strength and sync. Airwaves sizzling like a blizzard in winter. Soundtracks, documentaries, and short films. Every snow in. With your eyes, saying stay in my own lane. Your lips ain't that clever, so tell me what's your name, what you selling. So tell me what you're selling.
I don't know the sounds. What I got's plenty good enough to get me the gig.
What's the matter?
Nothing's the matter, I'm fine.
I mean, you don't even know why I'm with you.
I got it figured out. You are the missionary and I'm the native.